Welcome to another Python tutorial. Today we will look at the swapcase string method. So the swapcase method returns a string where all the uppercase characters are switched to lowercase and vice versa. This is how the syntax looks like. The method takes no parameters and it returns a copy of string where uppercase characters are converted to lowercase and vice versa. Okay, so let's look at some examples. The first example we have a mixed case string. And so if we run the swapcase method on it, we can see that all the lowercase characters have been switched to uppercase. And same applies for the uppercase characters, which in return have been switched to lowercase. Now in the second example, we have some extra additional characters like comma or exclamation mark, and we can see that they don't have any lower or uppercase equivalent, so no change was done to them. Whereas in this special character, we can see that it has a uppercase equivalent, and that's why it was converted to uppercase. Now, for the other characters, business as usual, the lowercase has been switched to uppercase, and the lowercase has been switched to uppercase. Yeah, so this is the swapcase method, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching.